I have started a Glow Up series, in which I am going to discuss every possible issue regarding your skin, your hair growth, your teeth whitening, dark private parts, and much more to make you look more beautiful. So, make sure to watch until the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. In the previous episode, we discussed all skincare related problems. So, if you haven't watched it, go and watch it right now. In today's episode, we are going to discuss all hair related issues. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. To solve any hair problems, firstly you need to check what your hair porosity is. Basically, hair porosity refers to how well your hair can absorb and retain moisture. There are three main types: low porosity, normal porosity, and high porosity. To check your hair porosity, simply take a clean strand of hair and drop it into a glass of water. If it floats on top, you have low porosity hair. If it sinks slowly, you have normal porosity hair. If it sinks quickly, you have high porosity hair. Now, let's talk about caring for each type of hair. 1. Low porosity hair. Use lightweight products, avoid heavy oils, and incorporate heat during treatments to help open the hair cuticle. 2. Normal porosity hair. Maintain a balanced routine with regular deep conditioning treatments. 3. High porosity hair. Opt for protein-rich products to strengthen the hair and seal the cuticle. It's normal to lose about 50 to 100 hairs per day, so don't worry if you see some shedding. But if you are facing more hair fall, then you seriously need to focus on your hair care. But before that, make sure you don't have any other hormonal problems or vitamin deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency specifically leads to more hair fall, so make sure to check your internal system first, because if there is an internal problem, then outer care wouldn't help you. Reverse combing can help you to improve your blood circulation, which will ultimately reduce your hair fall and promote hair growth. To speed up hair growth, consider Remedies, a castor oil or aloe vera applied to the scalp. Rosemary oil is also great for stimulating hair growth. Just mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage it into your scalp. Deep condition your hair every week with egg, yogurt, and any oil. Remember, consistency is key. Whether it's daily scalp massages, weekly deep conditioning treatments, or monthly trims to prevent split ends, taking care of your hair regularly will lead to healthier, longer locks. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming episodes.